All right, hello, welcome to the Northland. So this be just a quick, short little video. Nothing major, just kind of a, I don't know. I don't know if you can call it home improvement, because again, it's nothing really major. It's just kind of something that's neat. Anyway, stay tuned. You'll see what it is. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Is it stupid, or would you do something different? Um, the actual point of this is that there's a bigger picture to this, which you'll see later on in a video upcoming. But for now, I'm going to show you what we're going to do.
All right, so we are installing some LED lights in our garage. I wanted to do this in the house. The wife isn't too thrilled about it, and so I thought, you know what, let's put them in the garage and as a test, and we'll see how it turns out. And maybe she'll like them, and maybe I won't, and who knows what'll happen. But anyway, so I got 100 feet. It comes with 2 rolls like this. Comes with a deal. You just plug the ends in like so. Plugs into a outlet. I've just started, and it goes along the top there. There's the plug-in right there that the heater's also plugged into, and it comes with a remote control, and it also has an app so you can use Bluetooth. So we're gonna keep on going here. This is actually pretty easy. It doesn't, I mean, any 5th grader that could climb a ladder could probably do this. It's just a peel and stick. So as long as your wall is dry and clean, or your ceiling or whatever you're gonna stick it to, glass, countertops, whatever, it should stick just fine. And so I did plug them in to make sure they work. And so after I get these installed, we'll see what the finished product looks like. All right, home improvement projects, even if they are just fun. All right, so here's the finished product. That's the controller. One strip goes into one side, the other strip goes into the other side. The third wire, I think, is for the remote. I think it's the IR thing for the remote. Plugged into the same outlet that the heater is plugged into. And they're easy to plug in. There's an arrow on the strip itself and an arrow on the plug-in, so you can't plug them in backwards. And so far, I really like this finished product. Everything's stuck on real nice. There was a couple of spots where it didn't really stick real well. I think maybe there might have been, I don't know, some oil or something, not oil, but something that was preventing on the wall, that was preventing it from sticking. So cleaned it off, and it seemed to work good after that. So, and here we are, lights off. So I could not have, honestly, I could not have planned this any better. I just kind of took a rough measurement, and I thought, yeah, it's got to be really close to 100 feet. I mean, I didn't get exact, so I got the 100 feet of lights, and I think I had, let's see, there's a little strip right there, maybe 6 inches extra. I think, if I recall, I have not looked in the instructions yet, but I think that can be cut off and it won't affect the lights. But before I do that, I obviously want to check it out some more, and yeah, we'll go from there. So I mean, if something like this interests you, this is a great product. And once we get our garage doors in place, which will have windows in them, this is going to look really cool, I think. So we'll see what happens. All right. So my only gripe with the lights so far, and it isn't even really with the lights, I think it has more to do with my crappy Wi-Fi than it does the product. you're supposed to be able to download an app and you can then use it. I don't know if it's Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Anyway, you need Wi-Fi to connect, and I'm having a hard time connecting to my Wi-Fi. But like I said, I know my Wi-Fi is not the greatest, and I think that is my big part of my problem. And I think, don't quote me on this, but I think once it is connected via the app, I think you can set timers on it, or a timer, to have it come on at a certain time and off at a certain time, so you don't always have to use the remote to turn it on and off. And I think possibly there may be a little bit more color options. This was just what I was reading in some of the reviews again, so don't quote me on this. I still want to play with it some more, but so far, I'm happy with it. So, make sure you smash that like and subscribe. Even if you didn't like the video, smash that like button with whatever you have handy. I'd really appreciate it. Hit that little bell at the bottom so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Make sure you share it with somebody you think may have an interest. And even if you don't think they'll have an interest, share it with them anyway. It's cool. All right. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. And we will see you all in the next video.